Good morning guys. Okay, gising ko lang. Dahil napagod ako kahapon sa aking pag-garage sale. Pero worth it naman guys dahil malaki yung aking kita. Ngayon guys ay sumakit yung katawan ko. Para bang lahat ng ginawa ko ngayon pa lang bumagsak sa katawan ko yung pagod. Pero okay lang. Laban lang talaga guys. Ngayon ay magluto muna ako ng breakfast kasi nagutom talaga ako. Si Sawyer ay bumaba na kanina pa. Nag-breakfast sila ng eggs. Ayan, nagluto sila ng eggs dyan. At of course, iniwan yung kanilang pinaglutuan at saka yung eggshells. Yan, pero okay lang yan. Laban lang talaga. Wala na nga akong ano guys, oh, tingnan nyo yung nails ko. Sa sobrang busy ko, ba diba? Pero okay lang yan. Andun sila sa labas with Samantha. Nag-ride ng scooter guys. Ako naman ay maglalaba. Umulan pala. Kaya pala yung aking halaman ay, ayan, ay hindi siya nalanta dahil umulan today. Siguro kagabi siguro nag-start ang ulan at hindi ko narinig. Sa sobrang pagod ko ay knock-out ako kagabi. Sobra. Ang bilis ko nakatulog. Sa sobrang pagod. So today guys ay marami akong gagawin. First is mag-aayos muna ako ng closet ko dahil naransak nung naghanap ako ng mga ipang yard sale ko, ipang garage sale ko ba. Tapos while mag-aayos ng mga ng mga tawag dito yung mga damit ko ay maglalaba ako muna. At saka yung nilabhan ko nung nakarang araw, I think it was Friday naglaba ako. Tapos hindi ko natupi nung Saturday. Dahil nga na-busy ako at nag-garage sale din ako. Oh, today's, hindi ko natupi yung nilabhan ko nung Thursday. So, dapat Friday ako natupi. Hindi ko na naman natupi ng Friday kasi nga nag-garage sale ako. At hindi ko rin natupi kahapon, guys. So, ngayon ko siya tutupiin muna. Tapos, mag-aayos ako sa aking closet. Dahil naransak ko yun. Hindi maayos. Tapos, maglalaba ako ng mga damit while nagtutupi at saka mag-aayos ng aking closet. Dahil magulo talaga siya, guys. So, yun nga, guys. Pero at least, super happy ko kasi malaki yung kita ko sa aking garage sale. Kaya kung kayo, guys, dito kayo sa US o kung pwede kung saan na pwedeng may garage sale or yard sale, ibenta nyo na, guys, yung mga dapat ibenta, yung hindi na kailangan ninyo. Kasi ako guys talaga, nagkapera talaga ako sa mga gamit namin na hindi namin nagagamit. So yun lang guys, ang aking advice. Kung pwede naman mag-garage sale o yard sale sa inyo, go ahead, gawin nyo guys. Kasi magkakapera talaga kayo. Tapos, yung hindi nabenta, pwede nyo i-donate yun. Shelton, put this one ba? In there. Fire! Put it over there. Naku guys, makulimlim ang panahon sa labas, oh. At saka mahangin pa. Ayan. Tapos mahangin. Kinuha namin yung kutsyon doon guys sa labas. Lagyan namin dito. What happened? Nah, that's what you get when you do that. Ayan. Nagluto ako ng hotdog at saka eggs at saka mayroong tuyo. Dito guys na leftover. Ayan, yun ang ulamin ko sa umaga. Ngayong breakfast ko. Eto guys, kahapon ng gabi dito si Irene's Vlog. Please subscribe to their channel guys. Ito yung dapat dalhin niya. Nakalimutan niya dahil sa chika-chika namin paggabi. So, kakainin ko na lang. Tapos, yung rice ko ay, ayan, luto na. What happened?
He keeps clipping to his fingers like this.
Don't do that. Don't put that one in the ref, Sultan. Ang sarap ng pagkaluto ko ng rice, guys. Okay. May dukot ba? Ayan. Doon ko niluto. Sa paghalughog ko, guys, doon sa storage bin, nakita ko yung kaldero ko nung dati pa. Yan yung hinahanap ko palagi. Kasi yan yung lutuan ko. Eh ngayon, nakita ko, yan. Gusto ko kasi yan na kaldero, guys, kasi talaga magtutong. Masarap yung tutong. Inutusan ko, guys, mag-order ng gatas at shampoo para sa carpet, asawa ko. Go get it. Get it. Ay, get it. You wanna get it? Come on. Oh, oh no. The milk. Get the milk. Get the milk. Okay. Oh, don't throw it. Don't throw it. Just don't. No throwing lagi. Ay, tinapon ni. Buringo. Come on. It's nothing now. No more. Come on. Oh, tingnan nyo. Oh, it's very windy outside, guys. Oh. Come on. Hey, come on. There's a stranger there. Ay, nako.
No.
Yeah, there's a milk now. Okay, don't throw it. It's gonna break.
It's heavy.
Okay, I'll take it. I'll take it. Huh? Daddy ordered the milk. Daddy ordered the milk. Ito, guys. Oh, this one is a shampoo. Carpet shampoo. What is this one?
It's no.
Oh no, there's no Febreze on this. I want the Febreze.
Water.
Now, I want the Febreze kasi mabango yun sa carpet. Nothing. Pero hindi Febreze yung binili niya. Ititext ko muna si asawa kasi mali yung nabili niyang shampoo. Ayan, oh. Walang Febreze. Gusto ko yung may Febreze kasi mabango talaga ang carpet, guys. Put it there. Put it there. Put it there ba? Put it back ba? In the chair because it's gonna get broken. The gallon. Okay, come on. Let's go. Tapos na kami kumain. So, ayan, oh. Naghugas ako ng pinggan. After ko maghugas ng pinggan, ito na naman ang aking aayusin. Ayan. Ang kalat ni Sawyer. Kahit pagod ako, guys, masakit yung katawan ko, laban lang. Para, ayaw ko kasing tingnan itong mga tuwi, no? Ayaw ko ng ganyan, guys, yung makalat talaga. Kung pwede lang linisin ko araw-araw. Yan, pero minsan hindi ko makapaglinis araw-araw kasi napagod ako. After ko maghugas, guys, ng pinggan at nilagay ko yung iba sa dishwasher, ito na naman ang aking aayusin, ang kalat ni Sawyer. So, kailangan ko yung ayusin para malinis tingnan ang paligid dito sa sala. Nilagay ko na, guys, yung earrings ko. Yung nabili ko sa TJ Maxx, ayan, oh. May half moon to siya, guys, pero hindi ko nilagay dahil yung aros kanya sa likod natanggal. Nawala sa sasakyan. So, ayan. Dalawa lang, pero okay na to siya. Itong maliit na earrings. Tapos sa kabila, ayan, nailagay ko na yun. Mahapdi ka pala. Mahapdi pa pala, guys. Pero nilagay ko na. Para hindi ko natanggalin. Kay Sam, ano tawag ito? Andun pa sa tenga niya. Hindi pa niya tinanggal. Hindi pa niya tinanggal, guys. Ayan. Ang cute pala niya. Ang cute pala niya, guys. Oh. Ang cute niya. Mag-start na ako maglinis dito, guys, sa sala.
haven't changed mine yet because I want gold. But I took it off and it's good.
Did you put it, the new one?
No.
Oh, it still hurt?
When I like touch it.
Oh, really? It's cute. Look, is it cute?
That is so cute.
I know,
I
I
want
told
something
you.
like this.
If you touch me, I'll give you
Yeah.
$1.
Like, I want gold, but we have to go to TJ Maxx.
Yeah.
And Claire's, or not Claire's, I guess.
Not clear. I don't like clears because it's not.
Oh, I can get something.
Yeah.
$100.
What happened to your face? You ate spaghetti. You didn't wipe your face.
$1 if you try to get me. But you get me. I try to shake it.
Nainggit si Sam sa aking ano guys, earrings. Gusto niya rin tong ganito tapos
Mommy, are you going to TJ
ano
Maxx?
tawag dito. Ganitong itsura.
Mom, did I straighten my hair good?
Yeah, needs to be more. Yeah. Nag-straight pala siya ng buhok niya. You straight your hair? Did you?
Get off me, boy! Get off me!
Don't get off, Sawyer. Stay there, Sawyer. Stay there.
Did you guys know that Valley Academy is moving to Paparazzi?
Oh, really?
Yeah, the old Paparazzi building.
Who say that?
If you go by, I would buy lens and everything. It says Valley Academy on the Paparazzi sign building. When we
Oh.
drive down by the mailbox.
Oh, wow.
Oh, boy! You about to get out.
Ah! That's why.
Why are you spanking his legs so hard? Because he spanked me!
That's what you get when you do that to your sister.
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay? Don't ever do it, okay? Don't spank
After
me.
you
Did you
spank-
tell him to do
after
that?
you spanked
You
him.
tell him to
No,
do
I
that,
didn't.
did you? After, oh.
Nakatulog si Sawyer, guys. Oh. Kawawa naman. Galing ako sa CR. Tapos pagbalik ko, ganyan na siya. Antok na. Nakatulog. Oh! Hindi niya kinaya ang antok, guys. After sila maglaro ni Shelton. Ililipat ko lang siya mamaya, guys. Kasi kakain muna ako. Tapos ililipat ko siya sa taas. Nagutom.
Tuesday?
Their seats?
Wait, Tuesday morning, like before we go to school?
No, that's too early.
Like between 10 and 2.
Yeah.
Come on.
Nagluto si Shelton ng
When you want some
noodles,
with eggs
guys,
in it?
with eggs. Yeah, that's perfect.
Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
Don't
Yeah.
leave this maze over here, then walk out of here without it tomorrow.
Where what?
Yeah, because I
That
still
one?
need to finish it.
Oh my God, Shelton. Why there's a lot of papers in your?
Well, Sawyer broke that nugget thing in here, that peanut butter thing, and stepped on it. So now, tomorrow after school, I have to vacuum it.
You have to clean your room tomorrow. My God, what in the world in this one?
So Sawyer had in the world in here.
Yeah, but the thing is, you need to clean too. This one, you need to put it down. There's a lot of papers under the, what is
I
one?
guess I want to fail, so I'm just gonna
Under the
put
bed.
this away because I can't do anything without it.
It's your fault. You did not tell me about it.
Look. Which fraction is equivalent to 7/14?
If you told me earlier, it's not gonna be happen like that. I'll try my best to teach you.
But you don't know how to teach me.
Did you tell me?
Or to teach me right now.
No, because it's late now. I want you to sleep. And you can do it tomorrow morning. You get up 8 o'clock or 7:30. After you take a bath, you can do it.
No way.
In the morning, you won't remember that? In the morning?
I just
You
got
won't remember?
I know how to do it, but which fraction is equivalent to the shape of our chain? 4/5. Then back to here, then it equals 4/8. Then 9 times 3 is of course 45.
9 times 3, 45?
No. 9 times 5 is 45.
Tomorrow,
9 times 3
I
is
want
20.
you to sleep.
9
Shelton,
times 3.
listen, I
That
want you
is
to sleep.
27.
I want you to
That
sleep
3
and do that
times
tomorrow.
15 is 72.
That's why when you get home, you have to tell me so that I will tell Daddy about it. The thing is, when you come home from school,
Hey, look,
after your chores,
after
you
I got
are...
it's back to 335. Dad
Okay,
said
we
I
talk
can't-
about it. Tomorrow morning, you get up and do that, okay?
I'm gonna fail this tomorrow.
It's not my fault, it's your fault. Because
If they call
first,
you, tell them it's your fault.
no, I will tell. Because when he come home from school, he never told us that there is homework. He come home, he's doing his chores, and then after that, Mommy, can I go play? I said, yeah. And then, when the teacher emailed me about that one, and then, that's it.
Oh, you should have looked at your email.
I did, and Daddy did. The thing is, your teacher told you about this, but you did not tell us.
Because
Whose
I forgot
fault?
when I got home.
No, you
I was
don't forget.
excited. It's Friday.
I
It's
know.
the last day of the
But
week.
where is your football goes? In
It's
your
my
backpack.
grades.
In your backpack. So, if you don't forget your football
Don't
ball.
forget your math.
Okay. Okay. Adios, señorito. You do
It's
that
not
tomorrow.
señorito. It's adios amigo.
Oh, amigo, whatever. You're crazy. You make me crazy, Schultz.
I love. Love you.
Love you too. Okay, go na sleep now. Tomorrow. Hindi ako nakalaba kanina, guys. Kasi, parang tinamad ako tsaka sumakit yung katawan ko. So, maglalaba ako bukas. Marami na naman akong labahin. Ayan, oh. Labahin ko, loaded talaga. Tapos ngayon, maglalaba ako ng damit ni asawa. Yung kanyang work clothes. Iwan ko kung saan niya nilagay yung work clothes niya. Maghahanap na naman ako kung saan niya nilalagay. Ito yung damit ni asawa. So, ilagay ko na sa washing machine. Tapos, 2 pads. Tapos, nilagay na rin ako ng downy. Ayan. Tapos, kasi, so what is this? Ayan. Kasi wala siyang susuotin bukas. Kailangan ko siyang labahan.